Can you file a late 751 waiver by 15 years? Yes, this client did it. This client had a deportation order. This client had a complicated criminal history. And we were still able to do it with little to next to no evidence. It sounds like it's a miracle. It is a miracle. But you can see how the immigration works in this context. It's amazing. I love this story. Let me share it with you. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Joseph and I'm the managing partner here at Tsang and Associates, where we solve legal problems with creative solutions. This client got a conditional green card because they married a US citizen, but the marriage didn't work out, and so they filed a divorce and they separated. And that was over 15 years ago. The client never bothered to file a 751 waiver to get a permanent green card, and got married again, and got divorced again, and got married again, and got divorced again, and got married again, and got divorced again. This client has had 5 different marriages, and the green card has expired by 15 years, but didn't bother because they were always in the US. And so he just continued to live, continued to work, and continued to be the person that he was, until when we wanted to file a brand new case. And just to be careful, we did a FOIA and we saw, wow, you had a green card and it's expired. Maybe we should do a 751 waiver. But how do you go back 15 years to prove and collect documents to prove your first marriage was legitimate? Couldn't, honestly. So based on the FOIA documents, we were able to see just a few case things together. We were able to put it together, file it, and then time goes by, and then there's an interview. This case was done by Nicholas, all right? Nicholas is gotta be one of the best immigration lawyers that can appear with the client at the interview. We talk a lot about how to prepare a good case, how to make creative arguments. That is the power of so many people here at this firm. But sometimes all of that is not enough, because in a situation like this, a 15-year-old late 751 waiver with no joint documents, sorry, our hands are tied. We're powerless. There's nothing we can do. But at the interview, when it's the officer, the client, and the attorney, at that moment, we can make magic happen. Now, they are married to a new US citizen. So it's the part of the argument that we didn't immediately say, we hinted at it, was, look, if you deny the case, the 751 waiver, we'll just file a new I-130, a new 45, probably get a green card again, right? This marriage is legitimate, just like all the other marriages. It just unfortunately fell apart for all their own unique reasons. But why put this man through this hellhole of an immigration system that he's already been trapped in for so long? He's paying his taxes. He has an unfortunate criminal history, but we explain everything. It's not exactly his fault, and there's all these things that makes him have a good moral character. He's paying his taxes. He has a job. If you deport him, if you deny him, you're causing more suffering on U.S. citizen, on the business, on everything. So please just interview the man and approve him. That is, in essence, everything that had going for this case. We were leaning on the fact that the officer finds it amusing that a 751 waiver late filing by 15 years is before him. We hope that the officer found it amusing that this big, strong man, who is an integral part of the U.S. fabric, married to a U.S. citizen, now this is the back door to somehow get the case approved. We were hoping the officer would look this man in the eye and just get a good feel of him and just decide to do the right thing and approve the case. We were banking on the fact that this man has been filing taxes and has been doing all these things, and show that he is a member of society, and just approve the case. And if not, there's all these backup scenarios, I-130, 45, 601, that could get him a green card again. But why put this man, as well as the immigration system, through all of that ordeal? All of them while Nicholas, just looking handsome as he is, sitting in back of the client, smiling and politely explaining when he needs to. And the client and Nicholas and the officer made magic happen at that moment. The case was approved. Amazing story. If you have any questions about how to prepare for your interview, feel free to reach out. We'd love to talk to you. Take care. Bye-bye.